Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: Git installed and a GitHub account. First, configure your name and email so commits attribute correctly. Run git config global user. Name and user. Email. Next, in your project folder, initialize a repo with Git in it. Add the files you want tracked using git add, and make your first commit with git commit m initial commit. Once done, create a remote repository on GitHub and prepare to connect your local repo to push your work there. Now connect your local repo to GitHub by adding a remote. Git remote add origin URL, replace URL with the repository address. Create a focused branch for changes with git checkout bfeature/name so you isolate work and avoid breaking main. Make edits, stage them, and commit with clear messages. When ready, push your branch to GitHub using git push uorigin feature/name. The U sets upstream, so future pushes are simple. Make sure to pull before finish by opening a pull request on GitHub from your branch into main. Describe what changed and why to help reviewers. If reviewers request changes, make them locally, commit, and push. GitHub updates the PR automatically. Once approved, merge the PR via the web UI or command line. After merging, fetch and pull the latest main into your local repo with git pull origin main. If conflicts occur, resolve them locally, commit the resolution, and continue. This single troubleshooting tip prevents lost work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.